Good, brother. You?
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
We are 18 days away from the wedding. Very exciting. If you watched the end of the last video, I recorded it before I went into the gym today. I have been in a little bit of a funk. We're going to try to turn that around today. Starting off the day very strong with a hamstring glute workout, and I have a pretty busy day planned for myself as far as like trying to get ahead of some content for Instagram, trying to get some like workouts recorded for that, and starting off the day with my frozen mocha smoothie. I wanted to do a full day of eating because I've been getting a lot of people commenting saying I look really lean, asking if I'm changing my diet leading up to the wedding now because I'm getting so close, and this is just an easier way to like reference people back to this video so they can see exactly what I'm eating along with those like full week of eating videos. I'm really glad you guys enjoy those. I will try to keep up with doing those like once a month, and it's a challenge for me and I like challenging myself. So that is what today is, full day of eating, along with just a normal vlog. I'll take you through what I'm doing. But yeah, I've just been getting a lot of questions about how I'm changing my diet / if I'm changing my diet leading up to the wedding, because we're 18 days away now, and you're gonna see the answer is no, but it's way more fun to show you than to just tell you. Let's head home. I have to edit an entire video. There's no way it's gonna be up by 8 a.m. because it's already 6:10, and our Wi-Fi takes a really long time to upload videos, but not gonna let that get to me. The video will be up whenever it gets up, and starting off the day with my smoothie. came upstairs. I just got home and walked all the stuff I got upstairs. I stopped at the grocery store. I've done a lot, actually. I dropped clothes off of Plato's Closet. I met Chris at one of the malls around here to look for pants, like khakis. So we got him a pair of those. I got a couple more candles while I was at Bath & Body Works because they had a sale on the new fall flavors scents. And then I picked up my Plato's, all the stuff I dropped off at Plato's, which they barely took anything, so that was annoying. And then I went to Kroger and did a pretty big grocery haul. Definitely not everything, but just stuff to get us through the week. So 96.4 lean ground beef, 99.1 ground turkey, and another thing of just little chicken tenders. I made the buffalo chicken yesterday. I might have that right now. I was trying to like come up with some different recipes, but I've just been running around like freaking crazy and I'm starving right now. So we'll see what we end up making. Tonight for dinner, I definitely want to experiment more a little bit. I got our basil, that didn't sound good. I got the basil pesto again. I was actually getting a lot of questions about this. I just found this at Kroger. There we go, focused. We really liked this one. And I got some tomato basil garlic prego, some diced tomatoes. I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes. This one has green chilies in it, depending on what sounds better to Chris. Later tonight, some basmati rice. We're gonna try out our rice cooker, and 2 more sweet potatoes because I made my buffalo chicken and I gotta have my sweet potatoes for that. That's what I had for dinner last night. And I haven't made that in the past like probably 2 or 3 weeks just since we've been moving. So that tasted phenomenal yesterday. I got a big spaghetti squash. I think I want this for dinner tonight with like chicken and one of either the basil pesto or the prego. We'll see. Blueberries to go in our yogurts, more peppers and onions. I use these in my omelets every single morning. And 2 bags of the edamame. I've been using this in the Asian turkey wraps that I've been making. So good, like so good. And then the last thing I got, instead of getting the cinnamon raisin bagels, because I've really like been eating 2 bagels a day basically. I was having one of these and one of the sesame with the omelet. So to switch it up, I just got the bread. So we'll see how this is. I assume it's gonna be pretty similar. So yeah, that's everything I got at the store. And then I got 3 candles. I need to put this away, figure out what the heck I'm going to eat, because it's already 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten since that bagel. Hey! Okay.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
Next meal of the day is my buffalo chicken and sweet potato. I am absolutely starving and this was just the easiest thing to make. This is not for you. No. And a strawberry cheesecake Greek yogurt with some blueberries. This is like 3 to 4 ounces of chicken and then just 1 sweet potato. I usually just track it as 1 medium sweet potato. All right, this is not gonna happen. Next meal of the day though, solid lunch. Hey, no. Why do you always have to be in front of the camera? Guys, this lighting is horrible. this lighting is no good. I had someone ask me or message me about the Cake Pop almond butter, which, can we look at all those sprinkles? Saying that they thought it was grainy and were wondering like if they just got a bad batch or if that's how it is. That's just kind of how it is, I think. At least that's how mine is as well. It literally tastes like a cake batter though. So I originally thought it was intentional. Maybe it wasn't. Most of the other ones do have, they're smoother, but they do have some kind of like, not crunch, kind of. The lemon cookie definitely has like, you can taste like little sugar grains or something, which I love that. This one, the Cake Pop, literally tastes like a cake batter or, oh, I think it's really good. I personally like the consistency. That's just me though. That was a workout and I was terrified.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. Well, we're all built in right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah.
So I made ground turkey or ground beef and spaghetti squash. Basically spaghetti squash with meat sauce. I've actually never made this before. I like spaghetti squash a lot, but I'm not a huge like pasta red sauce person. However, I do really enjoy a good meat sauce. So we'll see how I did. I think it looks pretty good. What do you mean?
My seat. I have a seat. Every family everyone has a seat. Okay. Did you guys?
Not really. It's basically first come, first serve.
Oh.
You guys, she loves being on his back and she just nudges him. She still does. She still nudges you. She's, but that food looks great. Did that?
This looks fantastic. Love me some red meat. Or some red sauce.
Yeah, actually, you're gonna have to let me know what you think because you're like a...
Smells fantastic.
Professional.
Mmm. That's great.
Good?
That's really good.
Cool. We didn't have pepper. So
Fine.
The one tomato, can of tomatoes I used though had green chilies in it, so. Waffles with the pumpkin spice are probably my favorite that I've ever had, and I don't know why it took me so long to try it. So good that he wanted some, so I made 2. That is gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That spaghetti squash and ground turkey and tomatoes basically was what it was. Ended up being really, really good. I had the leftovers yesterday and so did Chris. It was still just as good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. I have a couple planned, so look forward to those.